Pals, today we're going canoeing. These are cumulus clouds. It means they're just filling up. It might rain later. Boys and girls, look at the water lilies. They're so pretty. Papa, can I go to the end?
Yeah, the end of the lake.
The end of the lake?
You want to help with the paddling, or you're not?
I'm not comfortable still. Papa, I'm keeping my eyes peeled for aminals. And by the way, we're not going the right way. Papa, look at the forest fire trees. I think they're lightning. I think they got lightning struck. Papa, look at that house or boat or car.
What do you want to do?
The port. I want to go see it. I want to go check it out if it's a house or not. A boat house. Papa, can we have lunch?
I think that's a great idea.
Papa, it's getting even windier now.
It's good that we're stopping for lunch then. You want to find a good spot?
Yeah, but what if the waves get bigger while we're going back?
If they get bigger while we're going back, you know what to do. What do?
You go on the bottom of the boat, in the middle, and go on the life jacket. Well, what about you? You might get lightning struck.
I won't get lightning struck.
What happens if you get a lightning struck, Papa?
I don't think,
You'll die?
well, we don't need to worry about that too much.
Papa, look. A perfect place for a picnic. Banane, cerises, sassimon,
Zesty mordant.
sassimon,
And fromage.
fromage, et how do you say it?
Je sais pas, des patentes végétales.
Je parle a little bit.
You look a little marabout.
Scared.
What are you scared of?
I just don't want to get rained on in the canoe and then it gets super, super wavy.
That's going to be okay. You're with your papa. I'll protect you, okay? We might get rained on, but we'll be fine. We're not made of sugar. Deal?
No.
Deal.
Come on, Papa, there's a jump. The rock changed color
Why do you think it changed color?
because it got really hot.
What kind of rock is that?
Granite.
That's right. One should never take rock for granted.
Ha! Ew.
What else is in there, you think?
Micah.
Why do you say that?
Because they're flat.
Because they're flat. She's over it.
Mushroom land! Come on. Look, a blaze. Which way do we go?
Follow the blaze.
Come on, it's safe. Ah, skimitos! How do the mushrooms grow?
The mushrooms grow. Do you really want to know, or are you just asking for conversation?
I really want to know.
Okay, so we'll look in here. You see all that white stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
Mm.
That is mycelium. It's mycelial mat. That is the fungus.
Fungus among us.
The fungus among us. And these are the mushrooms. These are the fruiting bodies that put out spores.
Oh, that must be poisonous water.
But when the spores get into the soil, you see here there's all kinds of dead tree.
Yeah.
The mycelium grows all through the forest floor. And then when it's ready to reproduce, it pops out mushrooms.
Feel the water.
But, ooh, slimy.
Slimy water. I know.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
So, where do the mushrooms come from?
Fungus among us.
From the mycelium mat.
From the mycelium.
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 So what do you think is making that grow?
Mycelium.
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 And what's that down there?
Red mushroom.
Yeah, all kinds of different mushrooms, huh?
Can we pick that one?
Yep.
Ooh. Good. Ooh. Ooh. Feel weird.
Are you going to eat that one?
No.
Why?
Me die.
That's right.
Look at look how big those mushrooms are right by the outhouse.
I wonder how they got so big. What do you think they were eating?
Poo!
You're a good little loon.
I'm a little doggy. Papa, I want to go home. Can I please drive?
Stay on the road.
I
You're trying. You're not doing a very good job. Pay attention to what you're doing. Look far up the road as you can.
Thanks for watching, boys and girls. See you on the next adventure. Which way, Papa?
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at that fat one. He looks tasty. He has poo on his butt.